So we are going to play a little game. Hopefully you can. So this is Kaun Banega Data Scientist, billionaire, millionaire, and we are giving virtual awards, I guess. So we don't have real money. So I wanted to see if anybody wants to play this game. Anybody, any volunteers who are interested? We'll be asking you some questions. We'll give you multiple choice. You can definitely phone a friend or something like that. But any volunteers? Sudarshan, I think you're interested. Would you like to play? You're muted. Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. Sudarshan is wants to become a billionaire. And so let's start with the first question to Sudarshan. We have a list called where list, and the elements of the where list are 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And what you want to do is you want to create an output which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And your options are options A, B, C, or D?
B.
B. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
There are 1,000 tokens waiting on this. Sure?
Yeah, yes, sir, sure.
All right. Perfect. 1 out of 1. This is very good. All right. So next question. We have another list. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the output that you're expecting is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. And your options are where list 0, colon 10, colon minus 2, where list colon, colon minus 2, where list minus 1, colon, colon minus 2, where list minus 2, colon, colon minus 2. Which one? If you want to quit the game, you can always quit the game. Okay.
And again, B.
B?
Yes.
B? Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Sir, option C. Sorry, sir, I'm taking it back.
Option C?
Yes, sir.
Option C?
Yes, sir.
Okay, option C. Oh, why did you choose option C? -1 would have meant that you start with the last index. So you want to start with 1, which is definitely not true. So you should start with the second index.
Okay.
And where list -2 was the only one that was starting from the index 2. All right. I think this is the last question. We have list 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and list 2 is equal to list 1. And now we have taken list 1 and taken the 0th index and put it equal to 100. Your question is this a valid operation? Is ID of list 1 equal to ID of list 2? Is list 2 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or list 1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Sir, option B.
Option B, ID of list 1 equal to ID of list 2.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Brilliant. That was amazing. All right.